Hey sailors, welcome back to Cruising as Crew. So today it is my second day out of quarantine, so got out, then I had yesterday where I was at work and it was just really nice to see everyone again because there's only like 3 new people in my shops team. So it's kind of like coming home, which is really, really nice. And then even all around the ship, like there's some people in bars and casino, like in all the different departments, they're people that I worked with on Scarlet. So I find myself just walking around the ship. I'm like, oh, hello. So it's really, really nice that I recognise loads of people because I guess it just adds to that level of comfort. Anyway, so it's a bit all go really. Now, obviously, as you guys know, I was supposed to join on the 11th. But I didn't, we all know why. And Valiant launches in a few days. So today we are in Portsmouth and we have Coast Guard this morning and then we have a big delivery for the shops. So Coast Guard, what is it? Basically all cruise ships have to be up to a certain standard of safety. Every crew member needs to know, a certain amount of safety knowledge in case the ship goes into a state of emergency. So what's happening today is we are going to have a crew drill, which we have had many of. Well, I mean, I've actually had one yesterday as practice, but the other guys have been doing it pretty much every day since they've been on board. And today we're going to have people come on and basically test us and make sure that we know what we're doing. So we're just going to do a drill like we usually would, but there might be some inspectors that come around and be like, okay, tell me how many lifeboats there are. Tell me how much water there is per person in a lifeboat. Tell me where the nearest fire extinguisher is. Tell me what you would do if there was a disabled person who couldn't get down the stairs. And you have to be able to answer these. So I have been studying like a demon. Luckily, a lot of the things are very, very similar to Scarlet because the ship is, copy paste. So there isn't that much to relearn. It's more just refreshing. So yeah, this morning we have Coast Guard. And as I said, then we have a massive delivery for the shops. Well, not a massive delivery, just a delivery of certain stock before we launch. So we've obviously got to get that processed and get that out on the shelves because we can't really have like boxes lying around for when our lovely sailors come on board. So yeah, it's pretty hectic, I'm not gonna lie, but I am loving being back. I'm in my crew cabin, very cozy, and yeah, I'm really happy. So although it has been a lot of information to take in, I love it. I'm basically just waiting around now for them to start blasting the announcements and for my time to go to my position. But I just wanted to say like a massive thank you to everyone who watched my quarantine vlogs. I posted one every single day, which went down really well. You guys absolutely loved it. I wish I could continue posting every day, but as you can imagine, I can't. I just literally don't have the time. And I really hope you got something from them. But yeah, I just wanted to say a big thank you to everyone who liked them, commented on them, watched them. Because, it's always nice to know that what you do is being well received. So my alarm to go has just sounded. So I'm going to tie my warm clothing around my waist. I'm not going to wear it because it's bloody boiling. Because as long as I've got it, that's all that they care about. I'm going to put my mask on. And then I'm going to pop my life jacket on. Ta-da! I've just got back from drill. I think it went all right. One of the guys who came on board to inspect came and asked me something, which is always really nerve-wracking because it's like, it's like a test and you're like, I don't want to get the answer wrong, but I didn't get the answer. I knew the answer, but when someone asks you a question, even if you know the answer, sometimes you're a bit like, do I know the answer? Is that right? But yes, it was right. It's fine. But yeah, the drill went really well. Everyone knew what they were doing, which is always great. So yeah, let's hope we pass. But I think we'll find out later today or whether we did. Now I don't know why I'm sat here chilling like I've got loads of time. Now I need to go to work because we've got a delivery coming on board, so I need to go and process that with my team, with my lovely team. Let's go.
Always naked.
Might take long.
Yeah.
We have coffee!
No name.
So now we have just had the meeting. We're going to go down. I'm just going to change my top. We're going to go down, we're going to wait for the boxes and bring them to the shops and start like unpacking everything and getting everything ready.
We've said our goodbyes, but we won't go home just yet. You got your head down, just like when we first met. I can't believe it's ending. Why did we f it up? So stupid and upsetting. How can I give you up? We've said our goodbyes, but we won't go home just yet. Let's stay here in this moment, pretend that we're not broken, and kiss me like you used to do before it all went down. 'Cause when the moon is falling, our love will turn to nothing. So kiss me like you used to do before it all went down.
So a lot of you know that I've worked in MAC before. So I was on Scarlet and this shop was the MAC shop. But for whatever reason they decided to change it. So it is now Sunglass Hut, which is very exciting. And that's where I'm working. So I am in Sunglass Hut now on board the Valiant Lady. Which I'm actually really excited about. I thoroughly enjoyed working in the MAC shop on board Scarlet. But it's nice that I have a change.
You're missing $1.
Cookie?
Soy sauce. Oh wow.
Girl Scout cookies!
What are they?
That is go ahead. Holy shit.
Thank you. These look incredible.
Those look amazing.
Amazing!
Can I have one of each?
I don't know.
Thank you so much. I love
You
you.
just took 2.
I did.
Can I have one of those at least?
I have one.
Oh,
It's
is that a single
one.
one? Oh,
You can share it.
That's fine.
This is my first time.
These are
There they go.
amazing.
This is our first time trying Girl Scout. These are legit Girl Scout cookies and I'm very excited. Mmm. Oh my god.
Mm-hmm.
They're like, wow. Girl Scout cookies are the best.
They are amazing.
It wasn't easy, but somehow you fell for me. I was your baby, and you were my clarity. I can't believe it's ending. Why did we f it up? So stupid and upsetting. How can I give you up? It won't be easy, but say you'll remember me.
We're going to be having our meeting in like
I know, we're going to have like our first sailors tomorrow. How crazy is that?
19 hours. We're going to have our work meeting.
19
Not
hours!
that I'm counting everything, but how crazy is that?
Pretty crazy! Look at this amazing shop! I mean, I know there's still boxes there, but it looks so good! Oh. I'm so happy. So it is now 11 PM. When did we start work?
Like 6 a.m.
We did not start at 6 AM. But anyway, it's been a long day. We're all very, very tired. But we're nearly finished. Kaysen has been amazing.
We did it.
We did it.
We did it.
Yes. So we've got a few little bits to do tomorrow before sailors come on. It's incredible. I can't believe that we're actually launching tomorrow. It's mad. But yeah, we have done good. So we're going to finish up and then leave. Good morning, guys. I hope you are all doing fantastic. I'm absolutely bloody knackered after yesterday, to be quite honest. My first day of work and I'm written off. No, but it was just a lot of like a lot of boxes, a lot of heavy lifting, as you saw. I tried to get as much of it on film as I could, but obviously it would be really annoying if everyone else was doing the work and I was just like filming. So I got what I could get, but I also had to, you know, pitch in and actually do some work myself. But yeah, it was a good day. We got so much done. We got more done than we like planned to, which is great because it means that we don't have that much to do today. So today is launch day, which is incredible. It is a family and friends cruise, and we've also got some VIPs coming on, like Tom McAlpin. There's rumours that Mr. Richard Branson or Sir Richard Branson is coming on, but we don't know. My shop is actually done, which is fantastic, so I'm going to help some other people out in their shops. But yeah, let's go and get this ship ready to launch. I cannot believe that we are launching today. Like on Scarlet, I got on board in June and we didn't launch until like late August. So we had like almost 3 months to set the ship up with no sailors on board, because obviously we did the crossing to New York and all of that stuff. And on here it's like I've got out of quarantine and now we have sailors coming on board, which of course is really exciting, but it's just like, wow, there is a lot. So definitely a lot to get done. So let's go, let's stop talking about it and go and do some of it.
Let's go.
It's 12 o'clock, which is great, so it means I have the rest of the afternoon off. So I've just gone down and put the hoodie on because we're in Portsmouth, it's freezing, and now I'm gonna go and get some lunch. Are you excited about launching?
Very excited for launch.
We are excited for launch day, but we're more excited for lunch.
Come for a ride with me. My mind has been killing me. You're the only one, but it always. Oh, maybe when I'm with you, I kinda miss you. It'd be best if you could come over now. I know you got plans, right? If you could set outside just for tonight, yeah. It's been some time since I felt right, trying to get right out of my own head.
So I'm going to start work in about an hour. I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup on. I mean, there's literally no point putting makeup on because I still have to wear a mask, which, let's not even talk about it. Being honest, I am a bit apprehensive though. Like it's always nerve-wracking. Like I was really nervous with Scarlet when we launched Scarlet as well, because to be quite honest, you just don't know how it's gonna go. Like it could go absolutely tits up. Like Scarlet launch, I don't think it's any secret that it was not smooth at all, which is why, I don't know if I mentioned it, but this is a friends and family cruise, so basically crew can invite their friends and family on board. Unfortunately, I haven't got any of mine coming on, for a highly discounted rate, and basically we just test it out on them, so they get a really cheap cruise and they can't really complain if shit hits the fan because they've paid a fraction of the price for it. That's the idea, rather than just jumping in straight with like full paying, and hopefully it will go well. But you never know. Like I remember on Scarlet, the first night that I opened the Mac shop, the the till didn't work. Like our till system just, and it was only in my shop it worked, in every other shop for some reason, but the till system in my shop just was not having any of it. So I am a bit apprehensive for my first shift in the shops, because you just don't know what's going to happen, and especially because I'm in a new shop now. I'm in the sunglasses shop, but it's very different to Mac and what I'm used to, so there's going to be a little bit of a learning curve with that. So yeah, I'm happy and excited, but also a little bit apprehensive. So I am dressed and ready for work. I've got a new uniform now. I used to have the white stripy top, but I think they basically decided that the shop's uniform was very similar to the bar's uniform. So it happened a few times where, you know, sailors would come up to the shop staff and ask us for a drink or something, and we were like, sorry, we don't work there. So all the shop staff now have these like purple tunics, which are nice. They look a lot smarter. So I've got my name badge on. Device. So these are the devices. Every crew member has one, and that is how we charge. Phone. Let's go. My hair looks like red.
It's a bit more than
You said it.
well, then it's been more than
Time to start work. It's 22:59 and it is time to close the shops. Let's go to bed. So we're having the meeting this side tonight.
Ready?
Can I borrow that?
Because happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
You have to blow the invisible candles.
And that is tonight's meeting.
Thank you. So, just got back to the cabin. Really good first night. We have officially launched, I guess, to family and friends. There's only like 300 passengers on board, so the shops weren't very busy, but I mean, it's expected with that many people on board because they're all at restaurants and stuff. It all went smoothly. My till worked. It was a lot smoother than my first shift on Scarlet, that is for sure. But yeah, it has been a hectic few days. I think I'm going to end the vlog here. I'm going to go to bed. I really appreciate you watching this video, and I just feel over the moon. I'm just so happy to be here, and it's really exciting launching Valiant and you know, being with people that I really care about. So yeah, I feel very lucky, very happy, and even more excited to be bringing you along on this journey with me. So thank you for watching. Please comment on this video and like the video if you have enjoyed it, because it helps me with the algorithm. And as always guys, I will see you in the next video.